Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Apache PySpark 3.5.4, that is the latest version on Windows 11 operating system. But the process is same on all Windows operating systems. Okay, so the prerequisites to install Apache PySpark is we must have Java, JDK, Python and initils. Okay, then Spark software. Okay, open terminal and verify whether we have Java JDK. Type Java -- version. See, we don't have Java. Okay, so first go to spark.apache.org. Hit enter. Click on documentation. Then click on latest release. See here, Spark runs on Java 8, 11 or 17. Okay, and Python versions are 3.8 plus version. Okay. So we have to install both Java and Python 3.8. So I'm going to download and install Java 17. Open new tab, then go to oracle.com. Click on products, then click on Java. Click on download Java. See, here we have only 23 and 21. But if you want older versions, click on Java archive. See, here we have the different versions. So click on Java SE 17. Then download this Windows x64 installer. So click on it. See, it is Java JDK 17. Okay. So prerequisite is, so we can install 8, 11 or 17. Okay. So download it. See, download started. Go to downloads. See, its size is 154 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed, and see, these are the components that we have to download and install. I will keep all these points in the video description. Okay. So first one is installed. Next, Python. Go to python.org. Click on download. Then click on download Python 3.13.1. Go to downloads again. Okay. So next one is initils. Okay. So see, these are the softwares that needs to be downloaded. WinZip or 7-zip. You can download it for free. Okay. Then we have downloaded Java JDK 17. Then we have downloaded Python. Now we have to download Spark. Before that, I am going to download this initils. Okay. So after that, we will download the initils. So now download the Apache Spark. Okay. So go to here, click on home, then click on this download page. Then see here we have the download Spark, or see here we have the version 3.5.4. If you want older versions, go to archive. Okay. Click on 3.5.4. Then choose a package type. See, Apache HADOOP 3.3 or and later. Okay. Once we select these options, then click on Spark 3.5.4 bin HADOOP 3 zip file. Okay. So this is gun zip file. So click on it to download. No need to restart. Then click on first link to download. See, download started. Go to downloads page. See, its size is 382 megabytes. In meantime, download this initils package. So go to this GitHub link, paste it. See, if you go to the bottom, see here we have the latest one, 3.5, 3.3. Let me go back, 3.3 and later. Okay, so we can download either of these four. So I'm going to download this 3.3. So click on it. You scroll down. See here we have the initils exe file. Click on it. Then click on this download button. Download started. See, download is completed. Okay, let it download. Now we will install these two softwares, Python and JDK. Click on this JDK exe file. See, in the background, this Spark 3.5.3 download is also completed. Click on next. See, select the path. See, this is the installation directory. If you want to change, you can click on change. I'm going with the default, so click on next. See, completed. Click on close. Now install Python. Just click on it. select the checkboxes, that is add python.exe to path and use admin privileges when installing py.exe file. Then click on customize installation, select all the checkboxes, then click on next. Select install python 3.13 for all users, then click on install. Disable path length, then click on close. See, we have installed required softwares. So we have to set environment variables for Java JDK, Spark and Unitils. So first go to downloads directory and extract this Spark. Go to here, right click, copy, then select the WinRAR and extract. That's why, see, extraction is complete. Go to folder. See here, when we have the one more file with the same name. So cut it, right click and cut it. Then go to C drive. Then paste it. Then rename this one. Just I am giving Spark 3.5.4. Hit enter. Then create another folder. Then give HADOOP. Then go to downloads directory. Copy this Unitils software. Go to HADOOP directory. Create one more directory. Then give name as bin. Hit enter. Go to this directory. Paste that Unitils file. See here. Okay. So here we have the HADOOP. Then here Spark. We go to program files. See here we have the Java JDK. Okay, we need this path also. Now we have to set the environment variables. Right click on this PC, then select properties or go to start environment. See here we have edit the system environment variables. Both are same. So right click on this PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. Then in system variables, click on new. Then first give the HADOOP underscore home. Then in the variable value, click on browse. Then go to HADOOP directory. Navigate to HADOOP directory. Then HADOOP. Click on OK. Click on OK. Then create one more for Java home. Java underscore home. Then browse the Java installation directory. That is this directory. Or copy and paste. Either is fine. Go to C drive. Program files. Java JDK. Select it. Click on OK. Now one more variable name, that is Spark underscore home. Then the variable value, click on browse. Go to this PC, C drive, go to Spark directory. Spark, click on OK. OK. Now go to path variable, click on edit, click on new, then percentile Java underscore home, percentile /bin. Then click on new, percentile HADOOP underscore home, again percentile /bin. Create one more new, percentile Spark underscore home, percentile bin. This is back. See here, all these backward slashes. Bin, click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Now open command prompt. CMD. Type Java -- version. See, we have Java. Python. See, we have Python 3.13. Control Z to quit. Control. Now CLS clear screen. Now type Spark -shell. This type of Spark -shell. Hit enter. Wait a moment, it is going to load. See, we have successfully connected to Scala shell, because here we have given Spark shell. See here, and the version is 3.5.3. See here, this is the ABY URL. Let me copy this one, select it, hit enter, go to here, new tab, paste it, hit enter. See here, this is the Spark shell. Okay, we want to go to stages, click on stages, storage, environment. See, Spark shell. Okay, in the same way, if you want to open PySpark, go to here, exit, Control D, or just give : quit. Okay, CLS to clear screen. Now type just PySpark, hit enter. See here, we got the Python shell, and the version of Spark is 3.5.3. In the same way, copy this one, go to new tab, paste it, hit enter. See here, it is PySpark shell. Before it was Spark shell. Okay, so here also we got the same stages, environment, but see here it is Spark shell. Before that it was Spark shell. Here it is PySpark shell. So we have successfully installed or set up the PySpark 3.5.4 on Windows 11 operating system, but the process is same on all Windows operating systems. For more PySpark data engineering tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.